some of the Sour Patch onto the plate. We're each going to count at 75.
We have 75 Sour Patch Kids in our jar. And so this is how you play. Whoever eats the most Sour Patch Kids in 1 minute is the winner of this Sour Patch Kids round.
But you don't have to eat one at a time.
You can have a handful,
or you can do this.
Yep, either way works for you. All right, let's get started.
On your mark, get set, go. Finish eating what's in your mouth if they count, okay?
Whoever has the least amount in their cup wins. Let's count down. I have 65. I ate 10 in 1 minute.
18, 19, 20, 21, 29, 50.
Well, I beat Haley.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58.
I lose.
58. How many do you have, Leah?
I had 62. So Jackson wins.
I'm the winner! Good game, guys.
Feels so good. This challenge was fun, and I think you guys can try it at home. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!